friends, welcome to my studio in Montreal and to the Travel by Art program. I'm happy to see you there. Today we go into the California, United States. We jump to the second border of the country. This beautiful photo was made at 8 a.m. at the morning by Chris. And I want to tell you, it's a very interesting combination. We have a kind of dramatic clouds and absolutely no windy. We feel it and we see the water. It's look like almost like a mirror. So I really see the early morning feeling there. We'll try to be there together on this pier, and I want to paint it as usual. Back side of my paper wet, the front side this time is dry, and I don't want to make a sketch. Plus, I want to tell you my secret. How to avoid copy photo. Because then you use the photo like a reference, not the real subject. It's very easy to fall in that, and finally you will be like a copy machine. And my personal solution is, if I have a photo in the portrait position, I'm trying to paint it landscape. In that case, you have to rebuild your composition. You have to rebuild your picture and create it almost from zero, using photo just for reference. So that's what we're gonna do today. We have a portrait position of the photo, and I have a landscape position, half of the imperial size Saunders Waterford Rive paper, 300 grams. Well, let's go. I don't want to create a sketch. I prefer this time more spontaneous painting. But I make my paper wet a little bit like this on front, using my 5 lines flat brush. And the clouds, it look like almost clear indigo on top. So I'm gonna use mostly the indigo for this. And plus, because of the dry paper, I like that combination. You see, very soft gradients and the strong shapes because of the white dry paper. Before I continue to paint that, we need a good music. simply preparing our background. I don't want to touch the sky at all, so I leave it like that. For now I make it dry and we put the second layer. From now our process will be, I will start to sketch, but I will sketch by paint directly and try to organize my composition. We're gonna paint it in 2 layers plus the last step with the details. before all the job was made by this one perfect brush, for now I switch to the pointed travel brush to make the details what I need. And for now, I'm starting to add the details everywhere, but it's not the details, honestly, it's just the noise, and I believe that noise make our painting alive, finally. Thank you very much, Chris, for the chance to be there with you in California. I'm really enjoying that. If you want to join the Travel by Art program, feel free to send me the email, and all the information about that you can find on my website watercoloronline.com. Thank you. Stay safe, be creative, and hope. See you next Monday. Bye bye.